I'm back for another video. I have my ocean twist here. I'm going to go put a couple of coats of this on these clear tips. I do want them to be fairly opaque, so I don't want them to be see-through anyway. And then I have my Crystal Sky Blue Jelly. We're going to do something similar to this where we're dropping down, but it's going to be more like water drops. So we're going to be using this and some white paint and the nice blue in the background. So I am going to go ahead and do these blue and I'll be right back. Okay, my nails are dry and my white is dry. All right. All right, I want to put big circles again. Big circles. And this time I'm going to turn my nails towards me so I can see them the way that I'll see them on. Okay. So I'm just going to put all this on randomly. Get some more. Make sure it's a good circle, because this is going to be like water dripping down. It's white right now, but it won't be soon. I have that Slinky song in my brain. Everyone loves a Slinky. Don't know why. Probably because I'm watching comedy shows. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So, now I'm going to let those dry. And then I'm going to let the water, I'm going to do white bits coming down, and I'll be back when that... Okay, and those are the finished nails. Oh, they're so pretty. I do have them flipped. Here, I'll flip them the other way so you can see what they look like for you for the drips. Gotta remember these ones go upside down. And I will go ahead and take a few shots, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.